This question talks about the number of goals scored in netball, it looks like, and we've got to fill the chart in, so we'll just do that very quickly. We're looking at 1 to 3, just count the ones to 3. There's 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's it, 4 for that. 4 to 6. Let's do it in a different colour so it makes it a bit more interesting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 8 for 4 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? So we've got 8, 4 to 6. And we'll do green for 7 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for that one, and 8. Let's put that in green, do that one in blue there just to make it look good. And then yellow is the 10 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that should be everybody taken care of. So now we go back to, got to create a total number of goals over here with our chart. So we know that between 1 and 3 goals were scored 4 times. So we need to multiply by the midpoint of 1 and 3, which is 2, isn't it? Halfway between 1 and 3 is 2, so that gives me an 8. Halfway between 4 and 6 is 5, so that gives me a 40 goals there. Halfway between 7 and 9 is 8. So 64, 8 8 is 64, and that's 11, and we get 44. So the total number of goals scored is going to be 48 plus 64 is 112, 156. And the frequency, we've got to add these numbers up, 4, 8, 8, and 4, 12, 20, 24. And of course, if we look at this chart here, there are indeed 24 numbers we're adding up. So 24 for this one. And therefore, the average, the mean, is going to be 156 divided by 24, which equals 6.5. So the median means finding the number which is halfway. We know we've got 24 of them, and if we add 1 to 24 and divide by 2, we get 12.5. So we need to find out the average between the 12th and the 13th number. We go down to 12 and up to 13. So we're looking for the median is in between the 12th and the 13th number. And we know that there are 4 here and 8 here. So the 12th one will actually be 6. And as long as we've got 6, we're okay. And we know that the 13th one is going to be a 7 if we've got a 7, and we do. And therefore the median is going to be halfway between 6 and 7. So add them up, divide by 2, and we get 6.5, which coincidentally is the same as the mean. And quite impressive. And the mode is going to be the most popular one. Well, which of the frequencies is bigger? And the mode is obviously going to be these two here. And we've got 2 really, so we've got in between 4 to 6 and 7 to 9. So the mode is going to be between 4 and 6 and 7 to 9 together.